Thutha wa kihiko kia ngwataniro NASA kwaga gota mai mari iroto-ini kwa hinda iraya, riu hatiri rutanganja kihiko giki ni gikinyite mwisho na uthoni ukoragwo. Umuthi mutongoria wa kiama kia Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula agithamba Raila Odinga king'ang'a-ini o toyo wikitio na kiano na kuga mundu eringie ni rwanyarire. Wetangula oigire ciigana ni ciigana matikuhe Raila kanya kagi ga kumahaka ndoro na kumahuthira gukinya utongoria-ini kuria oigite ni kamutugo amenyerete kumoro tene.
Mambo ya Raila sasa iwe historia na funzo kwetu, kwa sababu Raila alipiga Wamalwa tukamsamehe, tukampa kura. Sasa amerudi amechapa wewe. We can't allow our community to be the ladder on which people climb to the top, na wakifika kuko juu wanaanza kutukojolea hapa chini.
Aniorite rurire rwa murembe rucokanire hamwe niguo rugie na nyitiro gwoka ni githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022 na niguo mahote kunyitana na ndurire iria ingi na oho ahe Raila Odinga mukana wa gwiciria no aterebe rurire ruu uria ekwenda akienda amenye Odudu nile mutongoria wayo.
Nyinyi Waluya msiwe na haya yoyote kuambiwa ya kwamba kuja pamoja ndio tuwe attractive to form a union with other communities.
Tugitigana na kihiko kia NASA, mutongoria wa kiama gia Third Way Alliance Party Ekuru Okot ni arugoretie kampeini ya gutwara bururi thiini wa referendum niguo gucenjia mutaratara wa mwathanire wa bururi uyu, akiuga Fuda ni nogetio ni murigo wa atongoria.
What are the so-called great political leaders done to this country? In fact, if the people of Kenya were to reflect keenly on the people who masquerade as having the biggest persuasion in politics, they have caused them more harm than good because of that.
Okoto yete kamiti ya ithurano mihaka guku bururi-ini ya IEBC ni mwitikiretie kugania thairi icio agitanya kugania irore milioni 1 niguo bururi ukorwo githie thiini wa referendum.
The sooner we do this, the better. So it's also a challenge on Kenyans. If we want to save 27 billion, then give us those signatures even tomorrow. We are ready. If you want to save another 8 billion, which IEBC is asking to review the boundaries, then give us these signatures even today or tomorrow.
Augite mutaratara uyu wona wahituka na uria heteritwa Punguza Mzigo ukunyihia marihi maria thirikari ikoragwo ikiriha nginya bilioni 5 oro mwaka.